Welcome to Alongsiders. This video will give you an overview of how to start an Alongsiders movement in your area. Alongsiders International partners with church networks or denominations in each country. The church network will appoint at least 2 coordinators, 1 man and 1 woman for each region. These coordinators work full-time to mobilize and equip the young people in your churches to disciple 1 vulnerable child each, and by God's grace bring transformation to your nation. When the 2 coordinators have been appointed, we can begin training them. Their first job is to make contact with churches and pastors and ask them if they would like their young people to learn discipleship by reaching out to local children. We use a flip chart to show them the benefits for their church and community. If the pastor agrees, the coordinators will arrange to meet with the church's young people aged between about 16 and 30. At this meeting, we share the vision. The young people are reminded of God's heart for us and learn the basic commitments required, as well as how to select a little brother or sister and become an alongsider. After the meeting, the young people form themselves into a group of at least 5 or more people and choose a group leader. Then they ask permission from the pastor. Now it's time for them to pray and ask God who they should choose as their little brother or sister. When they have chosen a little brother or sister, the coordinators will return and register them using our Android app. They are now officially alongsiders, walking alongside those who walk alone. At least once a week, the alongsiders visit their little brothers and sisters to check on them and get to know them. And once a month, the alongsiders meet together to pray and encourage each other. The coordinators will help them choose when and where to meet and even attend the first meeting. At the first monthly meeting, the coordinators will teach an orientation lesson about how to walk alongside their little brother or sister. There is a new comic book lesson every month for the alongsider to read together with their little brother or sister. Every 4 months, all the group leaders come together to receive training with the next 3 comics. They will go back and train their own group of alongsiders to use the comics. Once a year, everyone comes together, all the alongsiders and their little brothers and sisters for a camp. This is an opportunity to celebrate what God is doing and receive more training. There, now you have your own alongsiders movement. Your young people are learning to disciple 1 little brother or sister each. You are equipping 1 generation to reach the next. And soon, your churches, your communities, even your whole nation will begin to be transformed.